All right, boys and girls, here we are, day 8 of our daily math here for May. And I'm going to use the same picture here for number 1. It says split this shape into fourths. Label each piece with the unit fraction. So again, that thing is 1 whole. This time, last time I said you could split it this way or you could split it this way. Well, now if you split it that way and that way again, now we actually have fourths. So this time we have 1/4, 1/4, 1/4, and 1/4. We have 4 equal pieces on there. Okay. Excuse me. Number 2. I'll draw a line. We'll come back down here now. Number 2. It says 3 equals something divided by 7. Sometimes we're used to seeing it on this side, so something divided by 7 equals 3. Really doesn't matter which side the 3 is on or the equal side is on. It's still going to be done the same way. So we have to take a number that's bigger than either of these two, right? We're going to divide it by 7, and it's going to give us 3. So we're going to go backwards. We're going to work backwards this time. We're going to take 3 times 7. Well, 3 times 7 is 21. And that is our answer. So 21 divided by 7 equals 3. All right, number 3. Anyone know the property of that one? What that's kind of showing us? Which multiplication property is that? Let's see. We would have commutative property. That's one of them. Is that it? Associative property or distributive property? I wonder which one that would be. How about y'all let me know, okay? So you guys put it in Google Classroom for me. You guys let me know which one that is. All right? So over on the one side, we have 6 times 5. And on this side over here, we have 6 times 4. It says write one multiplication equation that describes this model. Well, they kind of have one done for you right here, right? That would be one of them. Or let's combine the 5 and the 4, and let's go 6 times 9. All right? No, Mr. Monty, that can't be right. Well, let's check it out. What's 6 times 5? That's 30, right? And 6 times 4, what's that? 24. So what is 30 plus 24? 54. What's 6 times 9? Hey, it worked out. I love the multiplication properties. They're so excellent. All right, here we are. Number 4 says, measure the kitten's piece of yarn to the nearest 1/4 inch. So again, guess what? Don't have that exact piece of paper. So what I can tell you is, here I have some stickers from the kids. So I can measure this to the nearest inch, and I'll go this way, okay? Might be kind of hard to see on here, but I think we can do it. To the nearest 1/4 inch. So I'm going to take it, again, number 1. Remember, zero it out, right? Line it up. And here's 1 inch, there's 2 inches, so it's somewhere between 2 inches and 3 inches. And, oh man, that's like right on 2.5. That was almost too easy, wasn't it? 2.5 inches right there. Okay, yours might be something else. Again, I don't have the piece of paper in front of me, so I cannot technically put it down for you. Do your best. 1/4 inch, okay? Which one's it closest to? All right, here we are, number 5 now. Twins Justin and Josie made a cake for their mom for Mother's Day. Oh, that's very nice of them. She ate 1/8 of the cake, and she gave 1/2 to a friend. What fraction of the cake is left? So let's use this. Here's our cake. All right. All right. Now I'm going to take that cake and I'm going to split it in half right away. Okay? Because right away we know she got rid of half of it anyways. But we're going to kind of keep going. And I'm now going to split it in half this way. How about like right here-ish? Look good to you? Yeah? Okay. Okay, now we have 4 equal pieces. I'm going to keep going like this is a piece of, like this is a pizza or something. So there's another one. And there's another one right there. All right, now we have 8 equal pieces. Okay? So it said Mom ate 1/8. All right, so there is what Mom ate. She had 1/8 of it. And she gave away half. Well, here's our halfway line, right? So she gave half of it to a friend. That's very generous. What a nice mom. They're like that, aren't they? To all my moms out there right now, for everyone, happy Mother's Day. My own mom, happy Mother's Day. Love you. Okay? And to my wife, happy Mother's Day. I love you as well. So let's kind of keep going here. Let's go. What fraction of the cake is left? Well, how many pieces? 1, 2, 3 pieces, right? So would it be 3/2? Because it's a half. She gave a friend a half, right? So 3/2? No, remember, these were out of the 8 equal pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the fraction of cake that is left over is 3/8. All right? Thank you, boys and girls. We will see you later.